Hello, I'm Dion Roberts, the Agriculture and Natural Resource Officer for Eryri National Park. I'm here to tell you today that we're reopening an expression of interest window for Ffermio Bro. The window will be opening on the 8th of December. It will be closing then towards the end of January. Just a quick update on how Ffermio Bro has gone this first year. We're really pleased with the amount of interest that's been shown across the three landscapes that we're delivering here in Eryri, Llŷn and Môn. Over the three landscapes, we received over 230 applications, which is great. So in the first year, we were inviting projects from individuals and from groups, but from the second year onwards, we'll be really focusing on the group work. It'll be essential for all applicants to be a part of a group. Now, we don't want people to be scared off by being a part of a group. The groups are informal and often people won't have to interact in between each other too much. That work will be done by us internally. So when considering groups, there's two main types of groups that we consider. So we've got geographical groups and thematic groups. So geographical groups are where groups of people within the same geographical area. So if it's within one parish or within a village or an area, that would be a geographic group. Or another one would be a thematic group. So if you're working around a sort of a common goal, so if it's water quality improvement or targeting a specific species. So with the SFS starting in January 2026, Ffermio Bro is a good opportunity to go towards the requirements of the universal actions. Any work that's done through Ffermio Bro will not go against any work that you want to do through SFS. So any habitats or anything you create through Ffermio Bro will go towards your targets through SFS. Both schemes go hand in hand.
I'm Awel Jones. I'm one of the Ffermio Bro advisors, working mainly in the eastern part of the Eryri National Park, but mainly in the Dyffryn Conwy or the Conwy Valley area because of the many collaborative groups that have been established in that area with the new Ffermio Bro funding. One example of a collaborative group I've been working with is the Bro Machno group, which has been established to work on the Afon Machno catchment to improve water quality and to slow the flow of the water running to the Afon Machno down to the Afon Conwy because of the flooding problems that are happening in Llanrwst and Trefryw. We can do activities like the creation of hedgerows, scattered trees, planting a small woodland, but also we can fund work like creating feed pads and hard standings and gateways to reduce the effects of poaching. We can also fund activities to separate clean water and dirty water by installing water tanks and guttering to harvest rainwater. The works we could do as well is the installation of culverts to stop poaching in streams. So the scope within this theme is very broad and anything that will help to make the water cleaner or slow the flow would be considered for funding in this area. Another group that's been newly established in the Conwy area is a group Bro Garmon. A group of farmers invited me to the hall in Capel Garmon to speak to all the farmers within that community council, and that group is a very large group and it's an excellent example of collaboration work.
Awel has already discussed examples of geographic collaborations, but an example of a thematic collaboration is promoting more upland grazing. We promote this through using GPS collars, where we try and graze areas more sustainably by allowing cattle to graze areas which haven't been grazed before by having virtual fencing to help us with this. So if you like what you've heard and you're ready to apply, then you can apply for Eryri, Llŷn and Môn through Eryri National Park's website. There is a link at the bottom of the website to apply online, or you can download a PDF version and email that into us as well.
When you're applying, you can apply as an individual, but please remember to note which collaborative group you are part of.